The Autodealer 2WTL is suitable to installation on the roof of the lift car or in the panel control. The technology two wires allow to connect the Autodealer and the active speaker unit with a bus and two wires. In this video, the installation will be done with the alarm system on the roof of the lift car, a microphone behind the COP, and a passive speaker unit with a push button on the bottom of the lift car. The Autodealer has a plastic cover and an internal speaker unit. On the outside, it's possible to see the push button alarm, the reset button, the LEDs, the hold for the microphone, and the grid of the speaker unit. The LEDs indicate the status of the Autodealer, the power supply, the level of the GSM signal, and the status of the GSM line if connected with a GSM 200. Can be connected directly to the 830 volts alternative canal. To log in the terminal blocks and all the connectors, remove the screw and lift the plastic cover. Under the terminal blocks is visible the access to the batteries. At this point are visible the terminal block, the plug to connect the handset, the connector for the GSM 200, the connector for the batteries, the serial connector for the local programming with computer or instant software, the SD card slot, and the two mini jumper then allow you to control the LEDs with the general negative or positive. In the terminal blocks can be done all the connection needed, like external alimentation, the exit for the alarm LEDs, alarm inputs, the connection for the passive speaker unit, connection for the machine room handset, PSTN line, connect the bus for the active speaker unit to wires, and the possibility to connect a programmable relay. The alarm push button in the car, that in this tutorial is considered free contact, has to be connected between AL1 and negative. The connection of the microphone behind the COP has to be done connecting the negative to mic 3. For the speaker unit on the bottom of the lift car, connect negative to negative. A to ALT2. And B on the mic 2. The push button has to be connected between negative and AL2. The LEDs must be connected to AY and AR. If they have the common negative, the mini jumper, they have to be positioned on NPN. If they have common positive, on PNP. For the handset in the machine room, if we don't use the plug, we can connect it between negative and TL. The telephonic line or the GSM universal must be connected between LTY. To connect any two-wire speaker unit, you can watch the specific tutorial. Once all the connection are done, connect the batteries. Put back the cover and connect the auto dealer to the 230 VAC. Once all the programming are done, to make sure everything is working, do an alarm call test. For further information, you can contact us for technical support or view our installation guide. Thank you for your attention.